everyone, so today I am in downtown Fort Lauderdale, Las Olas. I just love how the place gives you a little bit of city, a little bit of nature. It's beautiful. And this is what I'm seeing. This is a little park, as you can see. The track where you can walk, and beautiful lawns, and of course stuff for the kids. I'm here beside the romantic Venice. This looks like a pirate boat, just little and cute. Guys, this is so cool. Look at this. It's like a moving bar. It is so cool. Up the steps, and I am literally trying to go fast, but my feet are not allowing me. They are definitely not allowing me, and I'm at the top. I am at the top, guys.